place them on your knees. Close your eyes and straighten your spine. Chin Mudra and place them on your knees. Close your eyes and straighten your spine. Let's take a few deep yogic breaths to prepare ourselves for this practice. As you inhale fully, feel your belly expand out. As you exhale, your belly goes in. Again, inhale deeply, belly goes out. Exhale fully, belly goes in. Once more, inhale, belly goes out. Exhale, belly comes in. Now we'll add thoracic breathing to this. As you inhale, first let your belly expand fully and then inhale a bit more to expand your chest out and up. As you exhale, your chest falls in and then your belly goes in. Again, inhale, expand your belly followed by expanding the chest out. As you exhale, your chest softens and then the belly